trying to find some eggs. You ready to find? You want to take the grass out of it? Okay, grass is gone bye-bye. Don't have to be scared of the grass. Ben, look. What's that? Is that an egg with candy in it? Is there candy in it? You found one! Your first egg ever. Can you open it to get some candy out?
Put it in the basket.
He just wants the candy right now.
Yeah.
Yay! You found candy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want it? Okay.
Mama.
Num num.
Yeah.
Ben, come here, baby. Look. Ben. There's another one with more candy. It's got more candy in it. Yay! He's all excited. Look, there's another one. Ben, look. Look, Ben.
Benjamin.
This is so fun. Where are you going? Look, there's another one. He's just gonna run away with candy.